Gotta make sure this tractor is sparkling clean.
Oh no! My phone!
I can't see it. It's too deep.
Help! Someone, please help me!
Ribbit? Did someone call for help?
You won't
I
believe
dropped
what
my
I just
phone
saw
in the
over
pond.
there. It was
Can you help me find
and
it?
sparkly, and it flew right past the sunflower.
And then the
Of course
biggest
I'll
banana
help.
I've ever seen
I know
just
some friends
swam
who
right
can
past
too.
my face. Look at you go, zooming around like that. You're faster than a dragonfly. I love splashing in the sun. Need your help. It tickles.
Welcome to the Nana Farm Pond.
What's the matter, Ribbit?
Water is wonderful today, isn't it?
Monkey dropped
what
his
I
phone,
just saw
and
by
we
the old
need to
booth.
find it. What was it?
Can you help
Another
us look
shiny
underwater?
lure?
Did it have worms?
Did you hear about the new lily pad near the
love looking
surface?
for things.
Yeah, I
Let's
was just
go.
checking it out. It's got the best view of the whole pond.
You won't believe what the snails did this morning.
What seems to
That
be
is
the commotion,
funniest
my
thing I've heard
friends?
all day. I
Welcome
accidentally
to
dropped my
Nana
phone in the
Farm,
pond.
little friend.
We're trying to find it.
These flowers bloom just for you.
Oh,
I
it's
may
just
be
wonderful
slow,
down here today.
but I
The
have
water
a
is
good
clear,
eye.
the coral is blooming,
I will
and all
help
my little
you
fish friends are out to play.
Here is the new Nana phone I promised you. Thank you so much.
wow.
You
Thank
saved
you
the
so
day. I can't wait to play with it. I hope it still works. It works. It still works.
And then the
Thank
fish
you
said,
all so
"I'm
much.
feeling a little
I
sluggish
couldn't have
today."
done it without you.
That's hilarious, Barnaby.
Woohoo!
Yeah, that was amazing.
Now, back to work. Look at these carrots. Never seen crops this healthy before, have you? All thanks to my secret formula. This forest has good wood. Time to build a bridge.
You're doing
help you
great.
move
Just a
this,
little
little
further.
monkey.
Thanks, Bear.
Almost there.
I can carry some of these logs to the building site.
That's great. You can
Look
carry
at all
some of
this
these
wood.
logs to the
We're
building
doing
site.
Great, Ellie.
That's
The farm
great.
is just up ahead. Let's go. Let's go.
Perfect.
Let's get started. Let's get to work. Wow, look at that shine. Best log ever. Steady now, nearly there. Keep up the good work. 1, 2, heave. Hooray, it's perfect. Just a
Keep
little
up
more.
the good work.
That's the way. That's the way. Nicely done.
This one's heavy.
Steady now. was the whole time.
This is a great bridge.
I couldn't believe it.
Strong bridge. It holds my weight well.
We did it!
Great bridge.
Hooray!
Best bridge
Perfect!
ever.
These berries will make a good treat. Plenty of fruit for everyone.
Need more wood. Almost ready.
Welcome
Let's
everyone
get
to
the
dig
food
in.
ready.
We have the freshest mangoes and bananas right from the Nana farm. Let's celebrate. Let the celebration begin.
What a wonderful day for a feast. Delicious.
Good berries. Very refreshing.
Best vegetables ever.
So tasty.
Cheers
the
to
new
the
bridge.
best farm ever. What a wonderful day.
I could swing here all
Good day.
night, and this view just never gets old. It's the best spot on the whole farm. A fine piece of work.
We did it.
Yeah, great job, everyone.
Oh, help me, please. It's stuck. Don't worry, I'll get you out of there. I can't believe it! The truck is completely stuck! Fruits are everywhere! What are we gonna do?
Road. The fruit truck crashed. We need a tow truck. Hurry! Oh, cheer up, big guy. Bear. Everything is going to be all right. Please don't cry. I'm right here with you. Oh, this apple is so good.
Yes, it is. I am so glad we found this tree.
Oh, dear Bessie. I was heading out to the pasture when I...